I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather, and it went just like this.
Good afternoon, dear audience. Welcome back to Entertainment with Famous People. Today we are going to interview two famous people who are Melanie Martinez and Messi. And let's welcome Messi with another big applause. Welcome to our TV program. Today we are going to ask you some questions about your life. So let's start. I decided to work with Messi to ask him some questions. First, in what team do you start playing? In Little Boys is the first team that I start playing. Okay. Second, in position you play? In center midfield. And finally, what team is preferred by you? Barcelona is the team I prefer. How many goals scored by you? I won 5 goals. Okay, first question. In which age you started singing? In 2011 I started singing. Oh, this is a recent event. Gina, we have a question of our audience. Hi Melanie, how old were you when you started singing?
I was 18 years old when I started singing.
Oh, you are so young.
Oh yes.
Okay, third question. What song is preferred by you?
Yes, this is difficult to choose, but I will choose yes. Mad Horror is the song preferred by me.
Fourth question. What singer is preferred by you?
Halsey is the singer preferred by me because I think she's so original. So I love her because yes, she's just unique.
And finally, how many songs was written by you?
I have entirely 28 songs, but like 15 was written by me.
Third question. What song is preferred by you? Is or was? ¿Me perdí? Hi Melanie, and what age do you celebrate? How many gold ones? I decided to work with Messi to ask him some questions. So, first, in what team you did start playing? Okay, I decided to work with Messi to ask. Okay, first question. In which age you started singing? Entonces,